And we are in front of a pretty interesting new Chausson version for the 2025. It's the F&S line from Chausson, starting price with 62,490. Complete actual price is 65,715. And this actual 599 Fiat Ducato campervan sleeps 5 people, sits 5 people and drives 5 people. The actual bedding size on this one. Let's go inside. Okay, this is a pretty non-standard layout. And yes, I can see already that this can be converted in a bed, and also this is an additional probably driving space right up there, so you can drive 5 people, but you have a pretty wide open table area, so you have a great way to enjoy your family time. Then from this side we have a standard 2 stove and sink option. Then we have a deep kitchen cabinet, and under it we have 3 additional cabinets right up there. Not bad design at all. Pretty good. Then we have the 90-liter Bedford fridge, and under it additional storage. Pretty wide, comfy sitting. And on that side we don't have overhead cabinet, but they removed it for a pretty open space. And on top of it we have the pop-up roof. But the pretty interesting part is on the back, and pretty non-standard design. So from this side we have a nice shower unit, and I will easily fit inside, actually not touching the roof, slightly touching the roof, but not bad. And if we rotate the camera from this side, I'm actually not sure how to open it, but you can make a complete... Okay, so from this part we shall be having the actual toilet, but yeah, it should be open in a way that I'm not aware of, so we shall be leaving that for another time. Okay, so this is the part where it gets interesting. You can completely make a shower bathroom area with this door, and now you're inside with pretty much a lot of space if you want to take a shower, or if you want to be in your bathroom, on the Tetwer toilet, or actually wash your teeth. And on the back we have single beds, castle beds for 2 children or 2 adults. And I'm now getting out, so you understand this pretty great layout. Getting on the back, check the bedding situation. Yep, these are 2 single beds mounted one on top of the other. They will be approximately 180 centimeters long, and we can measure the actual. You have approximately 80 centimeters in widest. That's a pretty unique design, demonstrated also right up on the screen. So you can remove this part and use it as a garage storage unit for your bike or anything that takes much more space. There you go, this is the new Chausson 6-meter F&S line with the final price of 64,000 euros. And these are the actual bed specs sizes. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's go for the next campervan in my desired collection.